Let's copy the text. So now I'm going to create this section here and select container, 2 columns. The left one has heading tag and some other text from here. Paragraph, add a button book now. So I can always use shortcut key also from here, and I'm not going to use shortcut key as of now, because if I use shortcut key most of the time, then maybe you are gonna confuse what I'm doing, where I'm navigating. But if you want to use shortcut key, you can see the duplicate key. It looks different on my computer because I'm using the Mac, and that's why it's displaying like Alt command and other things a little bit different here. So let's add after button text. Now let's add, this is very important to understand how it works here. So let's copy. I'm gonna use info box, change it to the left of text and title. And for the icon, if you just take a look at here, there is one, and let's see, stacked, change the background color to black, and the text color is white. I think there should have a pure white color, this one. And the padding, let's say 30, make it linked. The padding, apply the padding all over the place, 20 pixel. Okay, the background is white color, and it's not white, basically it's just the same color like the surface color, the background color of the website. Let's make it this one, and the text color is white. And the info box, there is no options to add a background color inside the info box. Like the info box has some greenish background color, but you cannot use this one only inside the info box. In that situation, just simply I'm gonna add container here, and inside the container place this info box, and then select the container here, go to the background, change the color, change the padding, and I think it was 20 pixel padding, or let's see. Let's copy this text from here to understand. Well, yes, the 20 pixel is perfect. Now let's go back again and adjust the spacing here accordingly, or according to our design. Let's copy the title and also reduce the spacing at the bottom area of the title. And this is how it looks like. Let's see if there is any other border areas or other things here. So all clear, all looks perfect. Just adjust the typography, make it 19. Okay, not this one, I'm sorry. For icon, (20 pixel) looks perfect. And let's make the padding 30 or 25. Let's make the font size is 25 also, and I think that's enough. And we can add some spacing on the left side of this heading and paragraph to look a little bit nicer. Let's add some spacing at the left side, left 10 pixel, For the descriptions also I left 10 pixel, and for the descriptions I do not want to use any spacing at the bottom area. It looks clean and cool. Well, now let's duplicate. Another thing that you have to understand, you can see whenever I create anything inside a container, it always stay at the center. But I do not want to use a center, so let's select the whole container here. Just take a look at here. I have selected the whole container, or the parent container. Now select General tab, Layouts, and take a look at here. Align items. Let's make it top, because for this section it's important to keep this top so that it looks perfect and display from the top area. And now you can see there is another thing. When I select this container, it's not displaying in the proper place at the center. So that's why I have to select the container again, and instead using the top, I have to use it center, like this way. That's totally fine to play around with the settings and other information that you have. Let's select the parent container and add some spacing at the top and bottom, and left and right. Let's add 90 pixel and the bottom 90 pixel. We have completed this section successfully, and let's change the icon to, and this one 3. Click on update, reload the page. Well, reload again. So it's now displaying perfectly. So in our next part, I'll be creating this section.